the question is, when receiving a unit for a repair back from the customer, said, what do you check? What item unit that come with it, and what the so what they saying is, what is the inventory check of the item unit? How do you check it, and how you identify it, and how, because customer sent in a bunch of item and stuff, and so they want to know, do you have a system to categorize it and tell the customer what they're sending in?
Mm-hmm. Well, as we define a kit,
Yep.
this is a good example.
Yeah.
Is the splicer, the battery, the adapter, and in this case, being an M12, there is a heated jacket stripper and one cleaver.
Right.
This would be considered a kit.
Right.
For any extra items, such as an extra heated jacket stripper or a cleaver, that would be added an extra cost to the standard calibration fee.
Okay. So when they send it in, do you categorize it and tell them what you receive?
Yes.
From them? Okay. In a written format?
Yes.
Or do they? Okay.
To avoid any, the shipper writes it all at the bottom here.
Yeah.
We fill in anything that we also examine it and fill in what if there are any things that the shipper missed.
Yeah.
We'll fill it in because it's very important to, in terms of,
Yep.
inventory and making sure nothing gets lost for the customer.
Awesome.